Oh, might as well get a vid, sir. Right. Right. Thank you so much, man. Have a great day, man.
Good luck.
Thank you. Take care, man. I do not know if you guys can even hear me. But today, well, first of all, welcome back to the channel, you guys. This is the first time I'm riding in my new helmet. So technically there should be a new helmet video that comes before this, because I haven't filmed it yet. But this is the new helmet, so I'm hoping the audio is brilliant. Anyway, welcome to the channel, you guys. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. Oh, I have not ridden this bike for a minute. I mean, honestly, this weather has been so cold that it's hard to, it's not even about the cold, I don't care about the cold, but it's been raining, so that's been hard to actually like just film like on a regular basis. It's been very difficult. But anyway, the last helmet I had just got on my nerves. It was so loud and crackly and all sorts of rubbish, and it's not the first time I've had that from that brand of helmet. So I actually got rid of it. I gave it back and said that's no, basically gave it back, got a refund, and then picked up this new beauty, which you don't know what it is if you're watching this yet, unless you watched the previous video, then you know what it is. But this helmet already, I can hear like the build quality, but I know the other one would have been crackling and whatnot. This one is pretty quiet compared to what people said. And I haven't even got like the ventilation blockers in and all the other bits. I've just literally used it as I got it, without all the extra padding and all that stuff. And guys, I've got a really tight balaclava on, so I do hope you can hear what I'm saying. But yes, it seems a lot quieter, and it's actually, it's weird, it's so comfortable. Like, I don't know, everyone said kind of like the opposite about this one, but to me this thing's just comfy, it's nice. But we'll see how we get on with it in the long run. Anyway, it is, okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, it is cold. I did wrap up a bit. I got my gear on underneath this hoodie, I got a jumper on, got a bit of armour on, so yeah, it's a bit cold and I can feel it, but it's okay, we can deal with that. As long as this bike gets hot like it usually does, all is well. Anyway, today we are going to Lamborghini. Yeah, well, I don't know why that voice kicked in, but yeah, we're going to Lamborghini London. We're buying a Lamborghini, guys. I'm joking. Haven't been in touch with a Lambo for quite a while actually, so yeah. Anyway, we're visiting Lamborghini London just to sort some stuff out. That's where we're going today anyway. Oh, it's freezing. Anyway guys, I also hope the view is okay for you, because with this helmet I can't see. In that other one, the GoPro sat a little bit higher, which means like I could kind of see what was being filmed, but with this one I can't see anything. Yes, I can't see anything. So yeah, this visor, it's like a mirror visor. Yeah, it's incredible, I can't lie, I like it a lot. I don't know, I don't think I'm going to be able to do this because like I'm stretched for time as it is. But there's a thing called Vlogmas. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, it's like you vlog every day over the Christmas period. So I know a lot of people are trying to do that. I don't know if I can do that because, like, yeah, time wise, I don't have a lot of time on my hands sometimes, sadly. But I'm going to try and drop as many vlogs as I can with a purpose. So that is what we are going to do. We're going to try. You guys, look at this bridge. Look at the views. Damn. London is a pretty nice place, depending on where you go. Some of these views are really cool though. That's for sure. And we are very close. We are 8 minutes away. London. Yep. Okay, we're here. Interesting. Oh, might as well get a vid, sir. Yeah, I remember this. Very familiar with that and that. So 3, 4, 5 Urises. 1 perf, 1 STO, Gem 1, remember this, on the Evo. So yeah, check this out. Obviously I just visited Lambo with my friends there, and also they got Maserati there. They told me to come to the showroom to check out what else they got, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, that is stunning. Yeah, I love the center exhaust on these as well. What do you think about how they did the Aventador S-style bumper on it rather than the SVJ one?
The rear bumper?
The front.
Well, the thing is with the...
Alright. Yeah, that interior is nice. Even the wheels matching. That is gorgeous. Right. Alfie, my pleasure to meet you, man. And we'll catch up, we'll talk on Instagram, man. Thanks very much, man. Guys, so we just went to Lambo, checked some stuff out there. My new contact. Right, anyway. If you guys know what's in this bag, yeah, what's in this bag is something that is pretty cool. Pretty damn cool. Anyway, I'm sure you can see what it is. Thank you so much, man. Have a great day, man.
Good luck.
Thank you. Take care, man. You guys, we just went to Lambo, visit my friend and sorted out some other stuff, shall we say. So yeah, a great accommodation there. I mean, that service is amazing. Everyone's so friendly, they are so welcoming. It's nice, well obviously they don't know me, but my friend knows me and other people, so they already know what I'm about, but they don't make you feel like you have to have money as such to go in there, and even if you just want to have some pictures with the cars, have a look around, like they're very accommodating, so that's nice to know. Not all places are like that, I'll tell you that factually, so that's lovely to know. Anyway, we are now heading back. Damn, this helmet feels so good. Oh, why did I take so long to get one of these? Why? Well, I didn't take long, I had to wait because it's limited edition. That is a absolute sneak peek preview for you. Ooh. Deary me, I have to wait, do I? Oh, that view is gorgeous, boy. Damn, it looks good. Randomly looking fun. Oh, this is where my friend took his Aventador, and well, yeah, he curved his rims. I don't know. I was driving the Hurricane Performante. I took one look at that Whitby and I was like, nope. So I literally made people, yeah, I turned around. I was not going through it. Before, obviously, I got to that point before the bridge, so yeah. I was not on it. Porsche 22 plate. Lady driven, very nice. I need fuel. Yes, you best be looking. And I need to heat these tyres up. Anyway, you guys, it's almost Christmas. It would definitely be nice to have like some sort of little bike meet or a little link up where, you know, go for a little cruise. So I'm going to organise that. I don't know when this video is going to come out because technically I spoke about the helmet in this video, and you guys need to be able to see what I've actually like bought, and that's going to be in the video before this. So yeah, so I don't know how I'm going to drop this video. I mean, one way or another, yeah, just watch all of them. Just watch all of them. Please. Anyway, yeah, you guys, you need to comment. Like I said before, I was talking about not being able to vlog all year round. That is because this is why, like, this weather is so bad. I can't vlog all year round like this. So basically, obviously I got the bike here, but I'm also going to have to get a car. And I think he's flashing. I keep seeing flashes. What the hell? What do you guys think? Like, I'm gonna probably, what the frick? No, what is that about? I'm just seeing some mad. Is that my? Oh my gosh, guys, that is my helmet reflecting and bouncing the sun. That is crazy. No way. What was that I was talking about? I was talking about what was I talking about? Yeah, the car content. I might have to mix it, like some bikes, some cars, because this weather is so bad. Well, not bad, but it's just unpredictable. I can't ride and vlog every day. So many days, for like even a week straight, it rained so heavily and I was not able to get on the bike once, and that's like a week of content that I could have done if it was dry, but because it was raining I wasn't able to. So we're going to mix it. We're going to do a bit of the bike, and then I'm going to introduce the car to the channel as well. That's the only way that this is going to work. So we're going to have to see, So yeah. Oh, that cold breeze, you guys. So yeah. Anyway, the weather's unpredictable. It's hard to it's hard to vlog on a bike like all year round. Shall we get a bit of a yeah, pull that way, don't you? Yes. Straight up. Oh, it's cold. Even in that, like the breeze was. Oh, that was savage, guys. Absolutely savage. Oh, this bike sometimes is so scary, the way it just dips in. It is so scary sometimes. This thing just like darts in and out. It's a bit frightening, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, we are in, I think it's in like race mode. No, it's not even race, it's in sport mode. So it's alright. We've got the traction on 5, wheelie control 5, stability control or slide control on 2, engine braking control on 3, which is actually the least setting for it. So if you have it on 1, it's on more. If it's on 3, it's like there's less engine braking or none. Stability control, the weather's crappy, so we're leaving that on that. High setting. Wheelie controls on 3. I can still pop a little wheelie in that, you know, let it hover a little bit. What else have we got? Traction control, I just left it on 5. Usually I have it on 3 or 4, but I mean, this weather and how cold it is, and it takes longer to get the tyres heated. Yeah, it's kind of a necessity to have it on a higher setting. So that is the settings, and I need fuel. I'm sure I saw fuel for like, oh wait, 156 won't occur to me because I only put like super unleaded V-power, like momentum. Everyone's got 4 character plates. What is that about? Excuse thyself. Yeah, 4 character plates. I'm seeing them like so often now. Before I didn't notice them as much, but like obviously I'm quite hot on license plates, so yeah. I'm sure this girl's looking at me in the Range Rover. Yep. So, thank you, man. Appreciate it.